scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you for winter camping and it's gonna dump snow on us?
I can't wait.
Like
I wish
an
it would
11?
start. Yeah, it's a little white, but I think we're gonna see a lot more of that tonight and tomorrow morning. Very excited. It's cold. It smells like winter outside.
So we're checking out a possible spot back in here. A little bit of dusting on the ground. Got a fire ring over there. Kind of goes down a little bit.
So I'll have to just get that tire right about here-ish.
Okay.
Right about here.
Back tire right there. Okay. There you go.
All right, what do we think?
I'm good. I need my gloves. My hands are freezing.
That's cold. Oh, it's so cozy in here. I cannot wait for the snow to start. Anytime now. Let's get set up. Well, I think we are gonna unhook. Lately, for one-nighters, we've just been leaving the trailer hooked up to the Jeep. Just makes it easier, especially for pack up in the morning. And we haven't needed to unhook, so we have a bit of a downslope here, so we're gonna get her unhooked, get her level, camp set up, and I think it'll be about time for some lunch by then. Yeah, and sometimes if we're on a slight slope, I like to dig a little hole for our front jack, especially for the wheel, just to make sure it doesn't move at all.
Uh-oh, why is that not on?
We never turned the
I turned the battery on. Yeah.
Oh, it's not on.
Oh. I pushed the
And we're
wrong
back.
button.
Oh, did you push it, the trip button, instead of clipping it up?
I can never remember which one it is. Were we charging when we were driving though?
We weren't. We have a full battery though, because I prepped after our last trip.
Good, okay. This is why I'm not in charge of battery things.
So on our stabilizer jacks, we typically only need one on the rear if we need it at all. So when we added the jack with the wheel, we just left the original on there, left the other two at home, and we just moved this one around. Sometimes we'll use it up front too if we don't need them in the back, but just keeps things a little bit lighter. And you know you've done a good job leveling when you can do this.
I'm just glad that's Matt's side of the bed.
So we've had a lot of people ask, and we've also been curious how much propane our 20-pound tank, or really any tank, actually uses on a cold night. It's gonna be possibly down to the mid-20s, maybe 20 tonight, Fahrenheit. So we're gonna go ahead and weigh it tonight, weigh it in the morning, and we'll see how much it actually uses. I don't think it's even gonna use a pound, but we'll see.
Place your bets in the comments.
Yeah.
That's where we're at.
If anybody mentions it, have this wood from down the road.
Well, we actually did. All right, Matt's getting the fire going. I'm not sure if it comes across on screen, but it's starting to snow. So we're gonna we're gonna get the fire going. We'll probably end up putting a canopy up so we can sit out and enjoy the snow, but still be covered and stay warm. And we're pretty excited to get this first true winter camping going.
Oh, yeah.
To winter camping.
Yes, the snow is here, yay.
Yeah, that's really good. Quick update for you. It's about 5 o'clock, dark. I'm not sure how much footage we're gonna have throughout the day for this trip because we're working on a little something special, so keep your eyes out for that. So now we're just sitting down, finally getting to relax under the fire. It's snowing lightly. We put the canopy up, again, to stay sort of dry, but be able to sit up next to the fire. We've got some lights. So yeah, we're just enjoying the fire. We're gonna get some steaks going here for dinner soon. And hopefully watch the snow show later.
My God, it's so good. Nailed it for the first winter outing meal. Just steak and shrimp.
If you put enough butter in that pan, everything's gonna turn out just fine.
Well, it's coming down now. Oh boy.
Winter camping, baby.
Yeah, we're so excited just to see this stuff coming back again. But yeah, it's getting late. We're gonna hit the sack. We're gonna get some rest, and excited to wake up to a winter wonderland out here. Time for bed. Looks cozy in there.
Nice and warm. I gotta shut this door before I let all the heat out. See you in the morning. Good morning. As you can see, we woke up to snow. It's so gorgeous out here. There's a good couple of inches, I would say, on the camper. I think today is really the big day for a lot of the bulk of the snow. We're probably gonna have a little quick breakfast. We brought some heated breakfast ideas and some non-heated breakfast ideas depending on how we felt in the morning. And then I think we're probably gonna hit the road and get back over the pass and back home.
All right, well, verdict's in, as we thought. It did not use much propane at all. We only used a pound overnight, and that's with temperatures of 23 Fahrenheit, thermostat at 55, so it kicked on more than it usually does for us. So we're really satisfied with this heater overall. We share it all the time, but man, it makes conditions like this so much more enjoyable. Snow's starting to pick up again. We're gonna get moving and let's roll. Wow, it just started dumping. This is awesome. We were kind of expecting this all night last night, but I don't know, it's gonna be fun driving through the snow. But first,
put all our shit away.
We're gonna attempt to get this canopy away right now. We're leaving the top on it just for convenience.
It smells like campfire.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
I don't think it's low all the way.
I may have to set it down. I can't really bunch that up.
It's actually
easier in a way.
Way easier. Okay.
Maybe that's why it's lasted so long. We've taken
We
care of
haven't
it.
done that, maybe. Okay, stop. You got about 6 inches, but you're lined up great. So we had to raise up the jack, put a rock under it. It was as high as we could get it without the rock, and we were still under the hitch. So I think we're lined up good now. Go home and watch Christmas movies now?
Yes! Get in! Oh man, it's beautiful out. Heading back over the pass. It's traction, tires required, chains required on trucks, heavy trucks. And we're cruising. The trailer's pulling great. There's nobody ahead of us right now, which is marvelous. Yeah, excited for winter. Take 6.
You know how, was it Luke and the Outdoor Boys? How he always puts those, like the hand warmers, but they're sticky, and he puts them on his kids. I think I want to get some of those and put them on my butt. Do you think that'll help? My butt always gets so cold.
Yeah. What happened there?
Fully from the window. To the walls, that snow drops down, no balls.
Literally.
Oh, I got that on the GoPro.